14 workout accessories to start your fitness journey. The Walking Pad Treadmill by YEMS-D. This walking pad treadmill has a powerful motor and operates at about 45 decibels, creating a quiet and comfortable exercise environment without disturbing others. Enjoy a healthier life using the durable alloy steel frame that is designed to withstand constant stepping. This treadmill is constructed to support weight up to 330 pounds. This treadmill can fit right under your desk to walk and work whenever you want. It has LEDs to make it easy to track speed, distance, time, and calories. It requires no assembly and is ready to use right out of the box. You could easily move and store it under sofas, beds, and tables. With a max speed of 3.8 miles per hour, you can use it to walk or jog. Make sticking to your step target easy with this amazing walking treadmill. Meet the push-up and fitness accessory board from MQRW. This portable exercise pack comes with various workout equipment attachments like a foldable push-up board, 3-section bar, 6 resistance bands, 2 ankle straps, a door anchor, and an ab roller wheel, fulfilling most of your average gym requirements. The unique appearance and custom design is fashionable and efficient. Working out the right muscle groups has never been easier with the color-coded handle placements. Target chest, triceps, shoulders, and back for maximum efficiency. It is designed to replace bulky equipment and machines in gyms and combine them into one creative workout accessory. It's a home gym that you can take anywhere. Work your whole body out, take up no space, and save the expensive cost of a gym. The Bowflex Select Tech 552 Adjustable Dumbbells. Each dumbbell adjusts from 5 to 52.5 pounds. Select the weight you want with the turn of the dial. No more picking up 15 different dumbbells to give you the results you want. With a wider weight range, you can do heavy exercises such as shrugs and lunges, as well as lighter exercises such as curls and raises, all while saving space. The Bowflex adjustable dumbbells are a perfect addition to any home gym, replacing 15 different free weights with one set of dumbbells. If it's time for you to take your home gym to the next level, you might need the Michelob Power Cage. One machine to meet your diverse needs. It combines a power cage, lat pull-down, low row, dip station, and chin-up station, allowing for a wide range of exercises in a limited space. The power cage comes with numerous attachments, including 4 free handle attachments, 2 safety bars, dip bars, J-hooks, and T-bar row attachment. This provides a wide range of exercises, such as wide and narrow lat pull-downs, T-bar rows, seated cable rows, bench presses, squats, deadlifts, bicep curls, triceps extensions, pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, and more. And added 4 carabiner clips, 2 extension chains for cables, and 2 weight holder clips. Featuring 13 adjustable heights, each clearly marked. All 4 rods are universal for easy installation. Triangular pieces have been added under the grips of the 2 dip bars for added reinforcement. The weight holder sleeves are upturned to ensure that weight plates stay securely in place. The Michelob Power Cage is a great choice for avid lifters or anyone wanting to get into weightlifting. Want to take your pull-ups to the next level in the comfort of your own home? Then meet the Ally Peaks Pull-Up Bar. Made of 1.7 millimeters thickened refined heavy steel, and the fine powder coating prevents rust and corrosion. It is much better than others just for the extra safety. It can hold up to 440 pounds, and the handles are coated with high-fiber foam, making for a comfortable grip, with multifunction, anti-slip, and wear resistance. Target multiple upper body and core muscles with pull-ups, push-ups, dips, and hanging crunches. Portable design for home exercise pull-ups. It can be mounted on any standard 24 to 32-inch doorways, depth of 4.7 to 8.27 inches. Acceptable trim height up to 3.75 inches, fits on any standard doorway. Pioneering double-hole design on the bend ensures both precise matching for the majority of door frame thicknesses and product durability. The door frame pull-up bar uses leverage to hold against the doorway, so there are no screws and no damage to door. With this pull-up bar, your home and office can become your gym. Simple and easy to install or uninstall and easy to store. These are the Gym Reaper lifting straps. The weightlifting straps provide neoprene padding to support your wrists and hands as you shrug, deadlift, or complete a heavy back day. These highly durable, long, no-slip straps enhance any workout no matter the lift or routine. The Gym Reaper's straps are a gym bag necessity built to last through the toughest training sessions, whether you're recovering from an injury or breaking a new PR. The increased length of the gym straps increase support and grip ability. The deadlift straps are endorsed by world record-holding powerlifters, IFBB pro athletes, and world-known trainers who use the pair of straps to eliminate grip strength fatigue and target muscle groups like your back, traps, and other muscles that are affected by pulling movements. Lift painlessly with the comfort and mobility of the fully adjustable lifting straps. Do you sit at your desk for long periods of time and want to keep active? Then you might need the Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Exercise Bike. This under-desk pedal exerciser makes it effortless to keep your body moving. The low-impact motion allows you to gently work out while going about your day. Perfect for office employees, adults, and seniors. This mini exercise bike's compact build ensures easy storage. Its lightweight construction and convenient handle make moving it a breeze. Enjoy a silent and smooth workout with the mesh belt drive. Experience seamless resistance with our step-less micro-adjustment feature, allowing for varied intensity adjustments. The onboard digital display offers real-time updates on your speed, time, distance, and calories burned, helping you track your progress effortlessly. Grab yourself a Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Exercise Bike today. This is the Fitbit Inspire 3. The Inspire 3 has a daily readiness score, active zone minutes, all-day activity tracking, 24/7 heart rate, 20+ exercise modes, automatic exercise tracking, and reminders to move. With automatic sleep tracking, personalized sleep profile, calls, texts, and smartphone app notifications, color touchscreen with customizable clock faces, super lightweight and water-resistant to 50 meters, up to 10-day battery life. Always-on wellness tracking, daily stress management score, mindfulness sessions, relaxed breathing sessions, irregular heart rhythm notifications, SpO2, menstrual health tracking, resting heart rate, and high-low heart rate notifications. Make tracking your progress a breeze with the Accessory Smart Scale. The scale stands out with the free Vgear app, offering a customized diet and exercise plans based on your life habits. Achieve your fitness goals scientifically with ease. The scale offers 3 different modes designed to cater to all your needs. Zero current mode ensures a safe weigh-in option. Baby mode tracks baby or pet growth. And 4 light items. The scale weighs items as light as 100 grams. Seamlessly integrate this scale into your fitness routine. Compatible with Apple Watch and syncs data with popular fitness apps like Apple Health, Samsung Health, Google Fit, Fitbit, and MyFitnessPal. Supports unlimited users for convenience. Enjoy an impressive visibility and readability with the extra bright LED display featuring large and clear numbers. This is the LifePro Roman Extension Chair. Target glutes, hamstrings, lower back, and hips with the multi-purpose Roman chair for a comprehensive workout that builds, strengthens, and tones muscles effectively. Experience superior quality and comfort with this hyperextension Roman chair featuring a durable frame, high-density foam rollers, and premium padding. The machine boasts 2 pads for a comfortable workout suitable for both men and women, seamlessly integrating the LifePro hyperextension Roman chair into your home gym. Create a clutter-free and efficient workout space with convenience. Tailor your workout with adjustable height settings for users from 5.2 inches to 6 feet tall. With a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds, the hyperextension bench ensures stability and durability, providing a secure and comfortable workout for users of varying sizes. Exercising is not the only thing that contributes to progressing in your fitness journey. Making sure you don't overlook the recovery process is vital. This is the LifePro Sonic Percussion Massage Gun. Built with 12 millimeters of powerful muscle massager amplitude and 75 pounds of stall force, this deep tissue massage gun penetrates into your muscles, providing direct relief where it's sorely needed. The deep muscle massage gun includes 8 interchangeable massage attachments and 15 vibration speeds for customized massage therapy that will really hit the spot. Send waves of relaxation throughout your body's muscles and joints to alleviate joint pain and relieve sore muscles. Use this deep muscle massager gun for pre-workout warm-up and post-workout recovery, triggering myofascial release that enhances your body's ability to repair itself. Set the timer in 1-minute increments for automatic massage sessions. This is a wonderful tool to make sure you stay healthy, allowing you to continue your fitness grind. Meet the Vgear Ab Roller. The 3.2-inch dual-wheel ab roller offers extra support and stability compared to the common single ab wheel. Equipped with a knee pad, this ab roller wheel delivers a comfortable workout experience and carrying protection. Just embrace the freedom of more thrilling and challenging routines without the hassle of using resistance bands. The Vgear Ab wheel targets your abdominals, hip flexors, and back muscles. With dedicated practice, this exercise wheel will speed up your core and low back strengthening while lessening your risk of muscle injury. Unlike big gym machines or heavy weight benches, dumbbells, and the like, the Vgear Ab wheel roller is portable size. It's a compact design that enables you to take it anywhere to exercise, be it your home, office, gym, or outdoors. The high-strength stainless steel shaft of the AB roller for abs workout can hold a maximum weight of 440 pounds for your safety. The 3.2-inch ultra-wide ab roller ensures balance and stability. EVA rubber cotton handles provides a non-slip and comfortable grip. Do you love pickleball? Or maybe you want to learn how to play? Then this 4-set of stylish pickleball paddles from Yog is perfect for you. The Yog Pickle Ball Set has been inspected by USA Pickleball and is deemed acceptable for official tournament play. The pickleball paddles are engineered with a cutting-edge design, combining a lightweight honeycomb core and a fiberglass face to provide players with the perfect balance of control and power. The paddle measures 15.5 inches by 8.15 inches and weighs 7.9 ounces. The lightweight pickleball paddle boasts a wide racket area with ample sweet spots, enabling players to move quickly while maintaining control. With edge guard protection for added strength and durability, this paddle is the perfect tool to elevate your game and reach your full potential on the court. This pickleball paddle has perforated sweat-absorbent and cushioned materials. Players can maintain a strong grip and play comfortably for extended periods of time. The grip is perfectly sized and provides maximum comfort during use. With this set, find a pickleball court nearby, and you can play the game with your family and friends right away. Have you been wanting to get into calisthenics? You might need the Relife Dip Station. The dip stand is made of heavy-duty steel and supports up to 400 pounds. The diameter of the tube is 42 millimeters, and the thickness is 2 millimeters thicker, which is suitable for users of all body types and exercise positions, making it stronger and more stable. There are 4 holes on each side, making it fully adjustable. Just pull the knob and move the rod. As the force spreads out to the sides, this connecting rod helps prevent you from falling, providing safety while exercising. It's easy to install, compact, and lightweight. Take it with you wherever you go and start getting a productive workout whenever you want. Perfect for bar exercises, dips, pull-ups, push-ups, leg raise, bench press, and more. Works arms, chest, triceps, core, and back. You can get a full body workout at home without going to the gym. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. As usual, links are in the description. See you next time.